you more than this, and I did it my way. Ooh, regrets, and I had a few, but then again, just a few to mention. All they had to do, then saw it through without exemption. I played each other cards, each careful step along the highway, and more, much more than this, and I did it my way.
Diretso! Oh, may request dito, Pao.
Ako rin curious eh.
Pwede raw bang idiretso sa chorus? I-request ng ating judges.
Pagpatuloy mo na, love.
Pwede ba?
O, akapela na lang. Titingnan na natin kung abot niya.
Sige, kahit acapella lang daw, Pao.
Times.
Chorus pa.
Yeah. Oo, hindi. Sa simula.
Yes, there are times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I spit it out, faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my
Meron pa rin?
At dahil dyan, love, ang napanalunan mo ay...
Congratulations!
Isang kilong luya gagawing sa lapat.
Sa pagmamalat. Nakasunod, tiyak. O Alan Kay.